In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Figma file in just a few simple steps. If you've ever wanted to create a copy of your design to experiment with changes without altering the original, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through the entire process so you can effortlessly duplicate your Figma files. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to figma.com. Figma is a collaborative interface design tool widely used by designers to create and share impressive design projects. Once you are on the Figma homepage, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your account. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Figma home interface. This is where all your recent files and any shared team projects are listed for easy access. Look for the home button on the left side of the screen, as this will ensure you're in the right place to start the duplication process. Next, find the project or file that you want to duplicate. Once you've located it, you'll notice several options related to the file's details. Click on the Design tab to open the file you want to work with. This will bring up the workspace where all the design magic happens. Now within your file, you might want to make sure you're all set to create a duplicate. For demonstration, let's consider creating a simple shape to populate your canvas. You can do this by using the shape tool located on your toolbar, where you're free to drag and drop a shape of your choice onto the canvas. Although this isn't necessary for duplicating a file, it helps to see the process in action, especially if your project isn't empty. Once you're ready, take a glance at the upper portion of the interface. Look for a small arrow down icon, which typically represents additional file options. Give this icon a click and a menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find the crucial option we're looking for, Duplicate. Click on Duplicate to create a copy of your current file or project, and there you have it, you've successfully duplicated your Figma file. This process is particularly handy when you wish to work on iterations or manage multiple versions of a design. The duplicate file will appear alongside your original in the Home tab, easily accessible for your next creative venture. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial on duplicating Figma files. I hope you found it helpful and you're now ready to experiment with your designs while keeping your originals intact. Don't forget to explore other features in Figma that can further streamline your design workflow. Happy designing!